Hi everyone. Today, we're talking about the 2025 Maruti Ignis, a compact hatchback that combines quirky styling, urban practicality, and efficient performance. If you're looking for a small yet stylish car that's fun to drive, the Ignis might just be the perfect choice. Maruti has given the 2025 Ignis some subtle updates while keeping its signature design intact. It still has that bold front grille, sleek LED headlamps, and muscular wheel arches that give it an SUV-like stance. The compact dimensions make it ideal for city driving, while the high ground clearance ensures you can tackle rough roads without worrying. The dual-tone color options and sporty alloy wheels add to its appeal, making it stand out in the crowd. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's designed for comfort and convenience. The dashboard layout remains user-friendly, with a touchscreen infotainment system featuring Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential driving information at a glance. The seats are well cushioned, and there's decent space for both front and rear passengers, making long drives comfortable. Plus, with the 260-liter boot space, you have enough room for your weekend trips. Under the hood, the 2025 Maruti Ignis is powered by the trusted 1.2-liter K-series petrol engine, producing around 83 bhp and 113 Nm of torque. This engine is known for its refined performance and fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for daily commutes. You get the option of a 5-speed manual gearbox or an AMT, catering to different driving preferences. The lightweight platform ensures nimble handling, while the suspension setup provides a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. Safety has also been a priority in the new Ignis. It comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-strength body structure that enhances crash protection. Maruti has also included ISOFIX child seat anchors, ensuring safety for young passengers. Overall, the 2025 Maruti Ignis is a solid package for those who want a compact, stylish, and practical hatchback. With its fuel efficiency, smart features, and urban-friendly design, it continues to be a great choice in the segment. Let me know your thoughts on the Ignis in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car updates. See you in the next video.